Ford's all-new 2015 F-150 pickup was given the top award and named the Truck of Texas at the Texas Auto Writer Association's TAWA 2014 Texas Truck Rodeo. Ford's best-selling truck group was also tapped as the Truck Line of Texas. Ford took home 3 other additional awards. TAWA members represent the voice of truck buyers in Texas, America's largest truck market, said Mike Mars, president of TAWA. After exhaustively testing 75 vehicles from 18 brands, the all-new Ford F-150 is our clear choice for Truck of Texas. Doug Scott, marketing manager of Ford's truck group, said, "This is a significant honor, one of the 3 big ones along with the Motor Trend and North American Truck of the Year awards. Our entire truck team is proud and honored to win the Truck of Texas trophy." 18 automotive brands participated in this year's TAWA event held at the Nibby Ranch, in Spring Branch, Texas. The annual event was a record-breaker on several accounts, including the number of people registered to attend at 168 and a record number of voting automotive journalists registered at 60, who hail from the Lone Star State, as well as from throughout the U.S. They are vetted members of TAWA's professional media group. There were also a record 75 vehicles registered for the 18 award categories. The Truck Rodeo's title sponsor was the Steel Market Development Institute, while the hospitality sponsor was Hell Protective Coatings. The Texas Hill Country climate was hot during the 21st annual 2-day event held at this historic ranch, and the competition was hotly contested as Ford, Ram, Chevrolet, GMC, Toyota, and Nissan entered pickups in categories that awarded first, second and third place winners in full-size pickup, midsize pickup, luxury pickup, heavy-duty pickup, off-road pickup, as well as the 2 most prestigious awards given to truck makers, Truck of Texas and Truck Line of Texas.